Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Go by One Cheap Compadre and you're watching Cheap Stocks TV, where on my channel we talk about savings, investing, and even politics. So this is more of enough reason to have reparations, because here's data, which we really don't need data because we've been having data throughout US history that states the discrepancies between different groups. So here we go. So this is from a Yahoo News article stating that HUD Secretary Marcia Fudge says student loan debt is limiting black ownership. For people of color, especially black people, home ownership is wealth. It's not only wealth to us, but it's generational wealth, said Fudge. Department of Housing and Urban Development HUD Secretary Marcia Fudge said student debt is a key reason for the disproportionately low ownership rates among black Americans who have student debt. Poor people, black people, brown people were the people who carried most debt. Fudge told Exos is an interview that aired on Saturday. The system already skewed toward us not being creditworthy. A recent report by educationdata.org found that black college graduates owed more in debt than white graduates and are more likely to have financial difficulty as a result. Black and African American college graduates owe an average of $25,000 more in student loan debt than white college graduates. Now, I think the average when people graduate from college is $35,000. So just imagine an extra 35 on top of that. So that's 60 grand. And 48% of black students owe an average of 12.5 more than they borrow years after graduating, according to the report. In June 2020 study by Redfin, a real estate brokerage company, revealed that just 44% of black families own the home they live in as of the first quarter of 2020. This is compared to 73.7% for white families. So you see the discrepancy there with the data. The Federal Housing Administration, FHA, in a press release on Friday announced it will modify monthly student loan payment calculation to remove barriers and provide more access to affordable single-family FHA insured mortgage financing for creditworthy individuals with student loan debt, which has a disproportionate impact on people of color. So this is why we need reparations, because one of my solutions to help close the racial gap is through home ownership. And if we could just get rid of these student loans, because that was one of my other steps to closing the racial gap. It was education, home ownership, and entrepreneurship. So for those who are disenfranchised, will probably be able to close the gap if student loans were forgiven for them, right? So Fudge said that these changes will allow people to become qualified home buyers even if they have student debt that would otherwise be a barrier. A person, let's say, that makes about $50,000 a year, if they want to purchase a home, maybe $200,000, or in that ballpark, they have $75,000 worth of student loan debt. They don't qualify because they have too much debt to ratio. Fudge said, we're going to make that same person qualify. Well, in order for them to qualify, you have to get rid of that student debt. So that's the main thing that you have to attack and get rid of in order for them to qualify. Not just give them a qualification, but get rid of that debt. Then they have much better opportunity to be able to own a home and actually continue to pay on it until it's paid off. And this is a burden that falls especially hard on black borrowers. So what do you think? Do you think that those who are disenfranchised, or those individuals who are not able to buy a home due to the high percentage of student loan debt, that it should be forgiven, or that nothing should be done to help these individuals out? So put your comment down below, become a subscriber, share this with family and friends. Make sure to smash the like button, and on your way out, make sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you. Have a great day.